this opportunity and the confidence you repose in us to give us this assignment, which I consider as a national assignment. Like the words of our Mr. President, we cannot eat an omelette without cracking the egg. We know we are going through excruciating pains at this point in time in the history of this country. So for us to be given this assignment, to send this message to our homes, our various communities, we consider it as very solemn. And for the state, you've already been doing this through various channels and alleviating the sufferings of our people. So for us, it's not new. And for our state, for you to have considered the local government chairman as a channel for this means that you really wanted to get to the real grassroots. And we sincerely thank you. So we give you one assurance that we will not disappoint you.
The country is in a crossroads because of one economic decision that we took, which is the removal of subsidy. It has brought so much hardship in the life and business of virtually everyone. And for that reason, states, the federal government, and also well-meaning individuals are providing succors for such situation. In that order, the Nigerian Governors Forum, also in their own bid to contribute to help to alleviate this situation, decided to distribute to all the states about 6,800 bags of rice. And these bags of rice is not about party, it's about the state. I don't know the formula you're going to use, but I think it should be a communal formula, something that can get to the people that you represent. I won't tell you how you're going to do it. I believe that you know what to do because it is not a party affair. It's something that the federal government, through the Nigerian Governors Forum, is using to support the suffering masses. So I hereby inaugurate you and charge you to take this responsibility very serious. We are also in receipt of 2 billion, which is also part of a relief process. We also decide, we're working on what we want to do with it. It's not just sharing the money, but applying it to something that will touch the lives of those ones that are dearly in need, those ones that are really going through pressure at this particular moment. So we'll come up with our decision very soon.